Hey guys, today we're embarking on a journey to manhood. We're going to delve into the 5 essential skills young men need to become strong men. First skill, determination. It's the cornerstone of being a strong man. Determination helps you overcome obstacles on your journey towards your goals. Being determined means not giving up when faced with challenges and continuing to work towards your goals. Whether it's personal or professional, determination can help you achieve your objectives. Second skill, resilience. Life always has its ups and downs. Being a strong man means learning to deal with these challenges. Emotional and mental resilience helps you navigate through life's difficulties. Every challenge teaches you a new lesson and makes you stronger. Third skill, communication. The ability to communicate effectively is essential for a strong man. Expressing yourself clearly and openly, sharing your feelings and thoughts with others is important. Likewise, understanding and respecting others' perspectives are key aspects of communication. Fourth skill, empathy. Empathy is an important trait that makes a man strong. Understanding others' feelings and seeing things from their perspective helps build stronger relationships. Empathy allows you to form deeper connections with people around you and makes you a better person. Fifth skill, leadership. A strong man should possess leadership qualities. Being the leader of your own life, guiding and inspiring others, is crucial. Leadership means guiding and supporting those around you. By developing leadership qualities, you can positively influence those around you and make positive changes in society. So guys, here we are on a journey to manhood. By developing these skills, young men can become strong, empathetic, and confident leaders. Remember, with each step, you're getting stronger. Thanks for watching this video. Take the first step towards becoming a strong man by developing these skills. See you in the next video.